What's up, guys? It's been a while, and today is February 6th, and weather is cold. And today we are scheduled to have our instruments and equipments, stage equipments for sound check. So stay with me, and we'll take a sneak peek of our playground. It's called W+wan Jia Club. Yeah, that was exhausting. First part of our sound checking, and I just want to show you the outside view of our bar here in Fuzhou. Very nice. Yeah. Just finished. So what can you say, Angels?
It's okay. It's good.